So guys, it's spaghetti night, and we're doing turkey bolognese. Now it may not be traditional, but follow me here. I start by browning off my turkey, and since it can have a tendency to get a little dry, I'm gonna hit it with a little olive oil. Now we'll start seasoning. We go down with some garlic, just mix that in really well, and I'm gonna add in some salt and pepper. Nice healthy portion, that way we get this well flavored. Next is our dried oregano, and I have some Italian seasoning, a little bit of dried thyme, and I'm gonna finish this with some dried parsley. All four of those work really well. I mix that in, and next we go down with the wine, and I'm using the box wine. This is pretty good stuff for the price, guys, and I do work on a budget. So now we're gonna mix that around, let it reduce a little, and I add in my crushed tomatoes. We're gonna let that simmer for a little while, and let me tell you, it was really good. So now I wanna show you how I plate things when I work in the kitchen. Everybody's food goes individually, and I do it to order. So I'm gonna start with a salad. We get those in the bowl, and our simple garnish of tomatoes and cucumbers. And I have one with no tomatoes, which is fine. That's why I plate them individually. It works out great. So the salads are ready. I top them with a little bit of ranch. Next, we'll get our spaghetti. That goes down on the plate. We're gonna add our turkey bolognese right on top of that. Our salads are gonna ride shotgun. And you have the perfect dinner. What a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.